Welcome to the BioWhisperer channel. Our topic today is on a perspective overview of the food allergy and its implications on food manufacturing. If you are new here, we are a group of retired professors sharing bite-sized videos in life sciences. Let's dive into the topic for today. Over the past 5 years, we have seen adaptations to the modern fast-paced lifestyle cascading to increased commercialization of processed pre-packaged food products to keep up with people's demand for convenience and variety. Our topic today focuses on food allergy as a perspective, and the associated exposure to undeclared ingredients in processed foods constitutes an important source of concern for allergic individuals. Although the vast majority of consumers will not show any adverse reactions of medical concern, contact with tainted food products could translate to anaphylaxis and potentially death for sensitized individuals. Enforcement agencies have traditionally focused their effort on surveillance of pre-packaged goods, but there is a growing need to apply a bottom-up approach to allergen risk management in food manufacturing, starting from primary food processing operations in order to minimize the possibility of allergen contamination in finished products. As a result, proper package labeling is enforced on the food manufacturer, and active surveillance for priority allergens on finished goods has constituted one of the primary activities of governmental agencies worldwide. Globally, within the current Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations or World Health Organization Codex General Standard for the labeling of pre-packaged foods contains a defined list of 8 foods or substances and their derivatives, and their mission is towards protecting consumer health and ensuring fair practices in international food trade. The severity of patients' reactions to specific allergens and worldwide or regional incidence of the allergy constitute the general guideline to include allergenic foods on priority lists. Some of the common food allergies are associated with peanuts, soybeans, tree nuts, sesame seeds, wheat, mustard seeds, milk, eggs, seafood, and sulfites. Given the exhaustive list of allergens, it is difficult to determine the accurate population's prevalence of food allergies, and comparisons are most of the time invalid, partially because of differences in methodologies and general testing criteria. What is, however, in common is the principal obligation to protect the allergic public has been recognized by governments and international entities. There is a need to apply a bottom-up approach to allergen risk management in the food manufacturing process, starting from primary food processing practices in order to ensure greater food safety for allergic consumers. Assessment of the allergen contamination status of food ingredients at the primary processing level is henceforth of vital importance. The burden of foodborne diseases to public health and to economies has often been underestimated due to underreporting and difficulty to establish causal relationships between food contamination and resulting illness or death. Safe food supplies support national economies, trade and tourism, contribute to food and nutrition security, and underpin sustainable development. Urbanization and changes in consumer habits have increased the number of people buying and eating food prepared in public places. Globalization has triggered growing consumer demand for a wider variety of foods, resulting in an increasingly complex and longer global food chain. Climate change is also predicted to impact food safety. These challenges put greater responsibility on food producers and handlers to ensure food safety. Local incidents can quickly evolve into international emergencies due to the speed and range of product distribution.